And Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah travelled for 1 month towards Hazrat Abdullah bin Unais for the sake of one hadith. Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah bin Masud has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu that he differed with Hazrat Hur bin Qais bin Hasan Fazari about the companion of Hazrat Moosa. Meanwhile, Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'b radiyallahu anhu happened to pass by them, and Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu called him and said, "There occurred a difference of opinions between me and my companion regarding the companion of Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam, for seeing whom Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam asked the way. Have you heard anything from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about him?" Hazrat Ubay radiyallahu anhu said, "Yes, I heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying about him, as Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam was sitting in the company of the dignitaries of Bani Israel. A man came and asked, 'Do you know anyone who is more learned than you?' Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam said, 'No.' Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent a revelation to Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam, 'Why not? Our bondman Khadir is.' So as he asked the way to meet him, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made a fish a sign for him and commanded him, when he did not find the fish, he should come back. He would find him Khazir. The servant of Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam said to Hazrat Moosa, 'Please see, when we took rest near the rock, then undoubtedly I forgot the fish, and the Satan made me forget so that I may mention it.' Moosa alayhi salam said, 'That is what we wanted.' Then turned back, retracing their footstep. Surah Al-Kahf, verse 63-64. Thus they found Hazrat Khazir. This is the narration of the both which Allah has mentioned in His book, the Quran. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 78.